Today we're visiting Ben & Jack's Steakhouse and meeting with chef Admir Alibasic. We'll be creating some delicious recipes using SweetLeaf Stevia products. These are perfect creations for holiday entertaining. SweetLeaf is the award-winning, best-tasting, zero-calorie, zero-carb, non-glycemic response natural sweetener available in the U.S. market today. Its uses are endless. You can indulge without feeling guilty about it. Let's see what Chef Admir is creating.
Hey, Chef Admir here at Ben & Jack's Steakhouse. Welcome to my kitchen. I'm going to be making a couple dishes using SweetLeaf Stevia. We got a teriyaki stuffed chicken and also Brussels sprouts with a teriyaki glaze. I have asparagus, broccoli, and bell pepper that's going to be chopped up and stuffed into the chicken, pan seared, and then we're going to make the sauce using soy sauce, brown sugar, salt, pepper, and stevia. So we're going to chop up the asparagus and the other vegetables. So we have the asparagus there. Same thing with the bell pepper, julienne, and then just cross cut. All right, once you got everything chopped up, take the chicken, make a slit. You don't want to go all the way through because then you're going to lose the form. So when we stuff the vegetables again, you don't push too hard. You'll break the shape. You'll puncture the chicken. Get everything in there. So I have a saute pan on high heat, a little bit of olive oil on the bottom. And take the chicken, put it on the bottom. You want to get a nice golden crust on both sides. After that, take it off and start building the sauce on there. We're going to add some of the wine for the flame. Once you get a nice golden crust on it, you want to take it out on both sides. You're going to finish it in the oven. Move this away. All right, so we're going to start making the sauce. I do have the SweetLeaf Stevia over here. What I found that works great is diluting it in water. Usually, you typically want to use 2 to 3 of them. So we have our saucepan here. We're going to put some oil. We're going to start with some chopped garlic. To that we're going to add soy sauce, brown sugar, and also the SweetLeaf Stevia. We're going to bring this together, let it cook down, let it get thick. Once this is ready and the chicken's ready, put the chicken right back in and let it cook, finish in there. Chicken's browned and cooked nicely. We're going to put it back in the pan. Let it coat. So after the chicken's brown on both sides, we're going to finish in the oven for about 15 minutes. So here we have it. It's our SweetLeaf Stevia teriyaki chicken. So for the second recipe, we're going to do Brussels sprouts glazed with SweetLeaf Stevia. What we have over here, we're going to do a sauce with soy sauce, sriracha, chili flakes, chili powder, honey, garlic, ginger, salt, pepper, and then I'm going to do the same thing with the stevia, dilute it in some water. And of course, I have the Brussels sprouts. Now the thing is with the Brussels sprouts, you just want to just blanch them, take them out, put them in ice, and then set ready for saute. So we're going to start building the sauce on our pan. We have a little bit of oil. And to that, we're going to use the garlic. So the trick with making this sauce is that you don't want to throw the soy sauce right in first. You want to throw in the chilies and the sriracha. Otherwise, the sauce is going to just get loose. So we're going to start with the chili. You could add more if you want it spicy, it's to your liking. I have also the sriracha. I like using the sriracha because it adds a little bit of that garlic taste as well. You can see how it starts to thicken right away. To that, I'm going to add the chopped ginger. And I have the soy sauce. Not too much. Let this cook down a little bit. Then I have the honey over here. This will help thicken it. The SweetLeaf Stevia. I have the pepper flakes. Again, you can add as much as you want based on what you like as a heat. Let this cook down, thicken up. Once it starts getting thick, that's when we're ready to toss in this Brussels sprouts. Once you start seeing the sauce caramelize, that's when it's ready to throw in the Brussels sprouts. We have them over here. And you just want to toss till you coat everything. Leave them on the pan to cook a little bit more, let the sauce thicken, and we're ready to plate. Throw some of that sauce on top. There you have it. These are SweetLeaf Stevia glazed Brussels sprouts.
Want to add sweetness and flavor? SweetLeaf Liquid Stevia Sweet Drops flavor water, coffee, snacks, tea, and more with just a few zero-calorie, zero-carb drops. Here's a great holiday drink recipe.
So today I'm making a drink using the SweetLeaf Stevia Sweet Drops, coconut and vanilla. So we start off by having our pint glass. We're going to fill it all the way up with ice. To that, I'm going to use a coconut rum. You're going to use about 2.5 ounces. And then we have an ounce of hazelnut liqueur. And then another ounce of Irish cream. I'm going to start off with the SweetLeaf Stevia Sweet Drops, the vanilla flavor. To that, you're going to put 3 drops. And then with the SweetLeaf Stevia Sweet Drop Coconut, 4 drops. And shake in a shaker tin till all combined. Then serve in a chilled martini glass. And there you have it. This is a SweetLeaf Stevia Sweet Drop Martini.
Add a delicious sweetness to all of your favorite foods and beverages with SweetLeaf. Create something delicious. For more info, visit sweetleaf.com.